Hi guys, and in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button, just tap and hold. If it doesn't reload within 10 seconds, just tap on power button again, but as you can see, it has been already done, so now just wait till it's rebooted. And that's it now. Just provide your PIN, code, password, pattern, whatever you use, and you will be able to use your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.